Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video, we're going to be disassembling this motor and everything. Let's get into taking this apart. Now, when I got this, it said take it apart and clean it and whatnot. But if you don't know, you don't know. And the instruction says to take apart the motor and clean it as well. So when you get down inside here, you've got the sponge and you've got the motor. To take the motor out, pull this cord out. And everything that I do, I clean this in Dawn dishwashing liquid. So we're going to set that to the side. This would be something that I would take and just put Dawn in it, fill it up with hot water and wash it. This right here, you'll need to clean out inside this with this brush. And you can pick one of these up on Amazon or over at Walmart or whatever. And just brush it out inside a sink full of soapy water. The same thing with this. You want to put that in some soapy water and squeeze it around, then rinse it off really good and let it sit over to the side to dry. This right here, I rinse it out and use it again. I don't change it out except for like every few weeks. You want to wash all this off and clean this. Here's one place that you really want to watch for when you're doing this, is cleaning this out. This was full of slime and I could not figure out how to get this clean until now. I would take it, stick this in between here, and clean this out in some soapy water, but that was not getting it clean. I looked inside there and I'm like, there was still some gunk in it. And I'm like, how in the world? And I tried prying this off. Well, let me show you how to get this off. All you want to do is just unscrew this and it comes right out, and then you're able to get inside there. This brush wasn't big enough to clean that. I actually had to take the toothbrush and stick it down in there and clean around like this to get all that gunk out from what was inside there. It builds up between this and this. It actually had gunk around the threads right here. This motor was horrible, but I'm going to show you an easy way to take it apart. First thing you want to do is just take your thumbnail or something and pop this back cover off. Just run your thumbnail around it and take that off right there. There will be gunk inside here, all up in here, and just use your toothbrush to clean up around all that. Then you want to take this same thing, just run your fingernail across it. The first time you take it apart, it'll be a little harder than what it is now. And you want to clean inside here. Then you want to take and just pull this. It just comes right out. And you want to clean inside here. And there's so many areas inside here that will trap stuff, and that's why you need a toothbrush or something to get inside here and clean those areas. Run this off down in here like that and clean it while it's under soapy water. You can put this in the soapy water and clean this thing. Put this back together. Let's put this back piece back on like this. To put this on, this piece needs to be facing that way like this, and then you want to put this on. You got two cutouts right here. That's for the suction cups. You got a cutout right here. That's for the top. Pop that on like that. Run your cord through here. There's a notch right here, and that's where your cable goes. Stick this in here and suction this to the bottom. Put this inside here. You'll see right here on the back, it's got a cutout for your cable. Put this on here like that. Put this in here like this. Put this on here like this. Put this on here like this. Now it's clean. When I'm filling this up, I always use bottled water because our tap water here, it turns really fast. That's how you clean this, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching, and you come back. Yeah.